Welcome to healthyayurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. Today we'll continue to discuss Majjadatu, Majjadatu being that which most closely resembles nerve tissue. This time we'll focus on decreased Majjadatu called Majjā Kashaya. In the previous videos, we've discussed that those with optimal Majjadatu have strength and unctuous or oily complexion with a deep and melodious voice. These individuals are said to be endowed with longevity, enhanced ability to learn, and are knowledgeable, wealthy, and honorable people. However, when Majjadatu is diminished, this resembles the influence of increased Vata dosha, which manifest as bones becoming more porous, therefore causing pain, a sense of ungroundedness and confusion. And because Majjadatu is that which nourishes the next succeeding dhatu, the next succeeding dhatu being shukra dhatu, decreased Majjadatu leads to diminished shukra dhatu, which will reduce the quantity and or quality of semen. In the previous video, we mentioned that factors which increase kapha dosha are the very same causative factors which increase Majjadatu. With the same logic, factors which decrease kapha dosha, or more simply, factors which increase Vata dosha, will be the same very causative factors which reduce Majjadatu. Such factors include Vata-provoking diet with foods having predominant pungent, bitter, and astringent taste, food with light and dry qualities along with cold potency. For example, excess dry leafy vegetables, legumes, beans, and peas can increase and aggravate Vata dosha and further worsen conditions of diminished Majjadatu. Overexertion or excessive physical exercise, as well as mental exertion such as excess study or staying up late hours of the night, will increase Vata dosha. So the causes of increased Vata dosha are the same very causes which may decrease Majjadatu. These causes include fasting for long periods of time and of course starvation, as well as suppressing natural urges, all increase Vata dosha and decrease Majjadatu. Clinical manifestations include ungroundedness or emptiness of the mind, which often manifest as anxiety, worry, along with insomnia. There's an empty feeling within bones, which may cause joint pain, and sexual debility is associated with decreased shukra dhatu. Vata dosha within Majjadatu may also cause a sense of tingling or numbness along with tremors, which may be associated with conditions such as Parkinson's disease or perhaps even multiple sclerosis. Management is often centered upon removing the cause of excess and considering medicines which have the opposing qualities. Therefore, management of increased Vata dosha, which subsequently will help to manage conditions of decreased Majjadatu. This includes snehana or oiliation, for example, with oils of Balā, Dashamula, or Bhringraj. Svedana or mild sweating therapeutics, for example, using nirgundi or eucalyptus essential oils. The intake of food which is predominantly sweet, sour, and salty in taste. Warm oil massage followed by a warm or hot shower. Medicines with hot potency, along with herbs with Dipan Pachan actions, and oil enemas or basti with marrow or with animal fat. And finally, plenty of rest and relaxation. Dr. Ladd mentions in his textbook herbs such as Balā, Vidari, Brahmi, Jatamāmsi, Shankha, Pushpī, and ashwagandha. For example, Balā gives strength, energy, and vitality due to qualities of Balā being heavy, unctuous, and slimy, along with being sweet in taste and cooling in nature. This tends to strengthen the nervous tissue and helps to pacify Vata dosha. Vidari and Brahmi have been already discussed in the previous videos. Jatamāmsi is also a brain tonic, and due to the qualities of unctuousness along with sharp and light qualities, as well as being cooling in nature, Jatamāmsi helps to stabilize the central nervous system and tends to reduce all three doshas. And finally, Shankha Pushpī is also a brain tonic due to its qualities being heavy, unctuous, sticky, and spreading. Shankha Pushpī is also cooling in nature, and being classified as Majjā, this herb, or rather these herbs being mentioned, help to improve cognition, such as enhancing intelligence, concentration, and clarity of the mind. Okay guys, this covers decreased Majjadatu. In the next video, we'll discuss shukra dhatu. Hope you've enjoyed, and until next time, be well.